Hey everyone, today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of the human body. We will be discussing the 5 vital organs in the body. It's a wild ride through blood vessels, organs, and maybe even a sneeze or two. We're talking about the most important organs you've got, the MVPs keeping you alive and kicking. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already because things are about to get real anatomical. Let's get started. First up, we've got the beatboxer, the rhythm master, the one and only heart. This fist-sized champ is working overtime 24/7, pumping blood throughout your entire body. It's like a non-stop marathon runner who never gets tired, only instead of feet, it's pumping blood. Blood vessels are the roads, and those red blood cells, those are the delivery trucks, zipping around, dropping off packages of oxygen and picking up the trash. And the heart, it's the traffic controller, making sure everything runs smoothly. So eat your veggies, get some exercise, and for the love of all that is good in this world, don't smoke. Your heart will thank you for it. Now you might be thinking, my heart just kinda does its thing, I don't even notice it. And you know what? That's the beauty of it. It works so efficiently, so seamlessly that you can live your life without even thinking about it. Next up, we're heading straight to the control center, the command post, the big cheese himself, the brain. This wrinkly masterpiece is the CEO of your body, calling all the shots and making sure everything runs smoothly. We're talking processing information, controlling movement, regulating bodily functions. You name it, the brain does it. It's like the ultimate multitasker, juggling a million things at once without breaking a sweat. Every time you learn something new, it's your brain forging new connections, creating pathways of knowledge. Every time you laugh at a joke, that's your brain releasing endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that make life worth living. So be kind to your brain, folks. Feed it knowledge, challenge it with puzzles, and give it plenty of rest. After all, it's the most complex and fascinating organ in your body. Treat it with respect. Let's talk about the lungs, those inflatable wonders that keep us breathing, and believe me, breathing is a very good thing. Imagine 2 big balloons in your chest, constantly inflating and deflating. Every time you breathe in, your lungs extract oxygen from the air and transfer it to your bloodstream, which then delivers it to all your cells. And every time you breathe out, you're getting rid of carbon dioxide, which is a waste product of cellular metabolism. So be kind to your lungs, people. Avoid smoking, wear a mask when the air quality is bad, and take deep breaths whenever you can. Now let's give it up for the unsung hero of the human body, the organ that does it all but never asks for credit, the liver. This large, meaty organ is tucked away in your abdomen, working tirelessly to keep you healthy. Think of your liver like a giant detoxification center, filtering your blood and removing all sorts of nasty stuff. Toxins, drugs, alcohol, you name it. It's like the ultimate bouncer, keeping the bad guys out of your system. It also produces bile, which helps break down fats in your digestive system. It stores glucose, which your body uses for energy, and it even helps regulate your blood clotting, which is kinda important if you don't want to bleed out every time you get a paper cut. So how can you show your liver some love? Well, maintaining a healthy weight, eating a balanced diet, and avoiding excessive alcohol consumption are all great ways to keep your liver happy. Last but not least, we've got the kidneys, those bean-shaped powerhouses that are small but mighty. These guys are responsible for filtering your blood, removing waste products, and regulating your body's fluid balance. Every day, your kidneys filter about 200 quarts of blood, removing waste products like urea and creatinine, and sending them out of your body in the form of urine. They also reabsorb essential nutrients and fluids, making sure your body stays properly hydrated and balanced. And if that wasn't impressive enough, the kidneys also produce hormones that help regulate blood pressure and red blood cell production. So how can you show your kidneys some love? Staying hydrated is key. Also, avoid excessive salt and protein intake and get regular checkups to make sure those tiny filters are working properly. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 most important organs in the human body. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the heart pumping blood to the kidneys filtering waste. Remember, these organs are working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep you alive and kicking. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to support our channel for more amazing health content. See you next time.